Are you a fresher or a working profession who want to start your career as a mobile app developer? Then we will help you on that. Mobile application development is one of the highest paid jobs in 2023. We all know that there are so many apps we are depending to complete our day-to-day life. Not only for that, the increasing needs of apps for every business also made mobile app development in huge demand. Do you know which all companies are working in mobile app development? Then I will tell you some of the topmost mobile app development companies in India. Hyperlink, Infosys, Qburst, Experian Technologies, etc. And do you know the average salary package of a mobile app developer? It's between 1.2 to 12 LPA. That in US it is $122 per year. So don't confuse. If you want to know more about career opportunities, contact Alphas Quadri Software Company. Thank you.